Notice you've got the LED porch lighting. Again, this is dusk till dawn lighting, so you'll never have to switch them on and off. The color of this trailer is a stainless steel metallic, which really looks nice. Okay, and here we're looking at the wall hung Jets toilet, the sink, mirror, your stainless steel dispensers. These are extremely nice Peekman faucets. They're metered, and they will definitely conserve your water. We also use a quality automatic door closer here. And again, your LED lighting.